So you can't do as.
Hi, my name is Chris Lamelli. I am 22 years old. I just graduated from the University of Texas at Austin, where I studied political science, and my minor was in Arabic. I stayed here and interned at the center for 1 month and had a great time with the Internship for Palestine Program. My experience was really amazing. I met a lot of great people both here at the center and out in the street. I was surprised by just how easy it was to make friends, just by saying hello and telling them about myself and learning about them. I had a great time in Palestine, and yeah, I made a lot of friends who I'm excited to come back and see again. The best thing about my experience, oh boy, well, the food's great, the people are amazing. I would say the best thing was probably, yeah, I think it was the friendships I made here in Palestine. Yeah, people here are very genuine, and they take you in like you're their brother, and yeah, I think that was probably the best. So every day at the center could look different. There's so many different things to do. Whether you're an intern, you're just learning Arabic, you're just teaching. There are tours going on almost daily. There are lessons every day. So my usual day, you know, I'll wake up, I'll get to the center, I'll have breakfast with everybody at the center, and then we all split up and we do our own relative tasks that we have for the day. For instance, today I got to go to a village called Kharas, and I got to teach English there for a few hours, and I got to come back here. Yeah. My message to people outside of Palestine is, one, don't be afraid of Palestine. They're Palestinians. They're people just like you and me. And two, if you have any worries about, you know, the occupation, or you want to know more, you can learn a lot from the news, but you can't learn everything from the news. So my biggest takeaway and recommendation would be for you to come and see things for yourself.
Just being sure that all of you come. You're cooking a box.